The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue.
Juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konasenkov mengatakan serangan misil berpemandu kamera menyasar target strategis di Kyiv, ibu kota Ukraina. Pada tanggal 26 Juni pasukan Dirgantara Rusia meluncurkan 4 rudal presisi tinggi berbasis udara di bengkel perusahaan Rudal Artyom yang terletak di distrik Shevchenkovsky di Kyiv. Perusahaan ini memproduksi persenjataan untuk sistem peluncuran roket ganda MRLS Ukraina. Menurut data rekaman langsung, semua 4 rudal mencapai target. Fasilitas telah dinetralisir. Infrastruktur sipil Kyiv tidak terpengaruh oleh persenjataan presisi tinggi, kata Igor Konasenkov. Jenderal Bintang 2 ini menyebut rezim Kyiv berusaha mencegat rudal presisi tinggi Rusia melalui pertahanan udara yang dikerahkan di kota. Awak sistem pertahanan udara S-300 dan Buk M1 Ukraina telah meluncurkan lebih dari 10 rudal pertahanan udara menangkis serangan Rusia namun gagal.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. On June 26, Russian aerospace forces launched 4 high-precision air-based missiles at the workshops of Artyom Missile Corporation, located in Shevchenkovsky district of Kyiv. This enterprise produced ordnance for Ukrainian multiple rocket launching systems. According to live recording data, all of the 4 missiles have reached the target. The facility has been neutralized. Civilian infrastructure of Kyiv has not been affected by high-precision armament. Kyiv regime attempted to intercept Russian high-precision missiles by means of air defense deployed in the city. Ukrainian S-300 and Buk M1 air defense system crews had launched over 10 air defense missiles. Due to lack of interoperability between the launching ramps of the air defense systems and electronic facilities deployed in residential areas, 2 S-300 air defense missiles have been intercepted by Ukrainian Buk systems. One of the intercepted air defense missiles has presumably fallen down to a residential building.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.